Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the quarter 3, week 3 types of eruption. This is science 8. So for first day, different types of volcanoes. Objectives: identify and describe the different types of volcanoes found in the Philippines. We have Mount Mayon, Taal, Bulusan, and others. Demonstrate awareness and appreciation of the natural processes that shape Earth's landforms and differentiate between the types of volcanic eruption. For activity, identify the incorrect statement by underlining the statement. Yung kung alin yung maling statement, yun pang guguhitan natin. So, letter A, magma is molten rock found beneath the Earth's surface. Lava is molten rock that erupts onto the surface. Magma and lava mean the same thing. So, alin dyan ang mali? Okay, letter C. So, ano ang explanation? Magma and lava are related but not the same. Magma is underground, while lava is magma that has reached the surface. So, sa surface ng Earth, that is lava. So, number 2, Mount Mayon is an active composite volcano. Mount Arayat is an extinct stratovolcano. Mount Mayon has not erupted in recorded history. So, alin dyan ang mali? Okay, letter C. Mount Mayon has erupted many times with its most recent eruptions occurring in modern history. So, napaka-active po ng Mount Mayon. Okay, number 3, a quiet eruption produces smooth lava flows. A quiet eruption usually happens with thick magma rich in silica. A quiet eruption forms broad shield-shaped volcanoes. So, alin dyan ang mali? Okay, letter B. So, quiet eruptions happen with thin and magma that has low silica content, not thick magma. Kapag makapal kasi ang magma, that is very eruptive or very destructive. So, number 4, explosive eruptions are caused by trapped gases building pressure. Explosive eruptions are gentle and non-violent. Explosive eruption can produce ash rocks and volcanic bombs. So, ano dyan ang mali? Okay, letter B. Explosive eruptions are violent and dangerous, releasing huge amount of ash and debris. So, number 5, Taal volcano is a complex volcano found in complex volcano found in Batangas. B, it has crater lake and is known for mild, safe eruptions only. Letter C, it can erupt explosively and dangerously. So, alin dyan ang mali? Ang mali dyan is letter B. It has a crater lake and is known for mild, safe. Bakit? Okay, Taal eruption can be very explosive and deadly, not always mild or safe. Okay, number 6. Phreatic eruptions involve water turning into steam. Phreatic eruptions release new magma on the surface. Phreatic eruptions are usually sudden and violent. So, mali dyan is letter B. Because phreatic eruptions do not release new magma, they are steam blast explosions caused by water and hot magma contact. Number 7. Hawaiian eruptions are quiet and gentle. They often form broad shield-shaped volcanoes. And letter C, Hawaiian eruptions are the most explosive types of eruption. Alin dyan ang mali? Okay, letter C. Maliwanag, Hawaiian eruptions are non-violent and gentle, not explosive. They feature flowing basaltic lava. Okay, sir, number 8. Ayun ang nauna ng ano natin. Mount Bulusan is an active. O ang mali dyan is letter C. Hindi pa siya extinct. Active siya. It erupts with ash and steam periodically. So, number 9, a Plinian eruption can affect global climate. B, a Plinian eruption is quiet and gentle. Mount Pinatubo's 1991 eruption is an example of a Plinian eruption. Okay, letter B ang mali. It is extremely violent, ejecting ash and gases high into the atmosphere, sometimes changing climate temporarily. So, nangyari na nga po yan yung sa Mount Pinatubo, yung na-cover ng ash ang buong Pilipinas. Pati ibang bansa po inabot ng ash. Okay, for discussion, a volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust where magma or molten rock beneath the surface gases and ash escape. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Volcanoes form mountains or cones from layers of lava and ash that pile up after many eruptions. So, bakit tumataas siya? It's because of the eruption of magma na naging lava. So, yun yung nagpataas sa kanya. It forms a mountainous figure. The different types of volcanoes. These are specific volcanoes in the Philippines, and each one has a structural type, shield, composite, and others. And an activity, kapag pinag-ano naman natin sa activity, pinag-classify natin that is active, dormant, extinct. Yung nauna, yung shield, composite, yun ay sa structure, sa mismong ano niya, Yun namang in terms of activity, active, dormant, and extinct. So, meron pang ibang klase yan. So, isa-isahin po natin yung mga ilang bulkan dito sa Pilipinas. So, Mount Mayon, saan bang location yan? That is Albay, Bicol region. So, structural type, composite volcano or stratovolcano. Status, activity status, active. Explanation, perfect cone shape, alternates between lava flows and explosive eruptions. Okay, Mount Bulusan, sa Bicol din yan. That is in Sorsogon. Composite volcano or stratovolcano. That is also active. Erupts explosively with ash and steam, steep cone shape. Okay, Taal volcano. That is in Batangas. Complex volcano, a mix of caldera and cones. Active. Has a crater lake, small but very explosive. So, Mount Makiling, Laguna. Inactive, stratovolcano or composite. Dormant. So, pwede pa siyang sumabog. Ano po? Kasi dormant lang siya, hindi pa siya extinct. So, has steep slopes, no recent eruption in modern history. Okay, Mount Batulao. Location, Batangas. Extinct. So, hindi na ito sasabog, extinct na. So, malamang malayo na ito sa tinatawag na hotspot doon sa kung saan ang source ng magma. So, volcanic in origin but no eruption recorded, weathered cone shaped. Okay, Mount Arayat, Pampanga, extinct. Stratovolcano, is composite o extinct na siya. So, steep-sided cone, no eruption in thousands of years. So, matagal nang hindi pumuputok ang Mount Arayat saka Mount Batulao. Okay, types of volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption differs in strength. So, pwede rin na pala natin classify siya based on strength, speed, and material released. So, they can be grouped into two main types based on strength, speed, and material released. So, we have quiet and explosive eruption. So, quiet eruption. A quiet eruption happens when magma is thin, runny, and low in gas content. So, manipis. Ano pa kapag manipis yung magma? Hindi masyadong nakapag-ipon ng pressure. So, because it flows easily, gases can escape gently. So, there's little or no explosion. So, characteristics: lava flows smoothly and continuously. Produces lava fountains, lava flows, or shield volcanoes. Usually non-violent. Magma is basaltic, low in silica, high in iron and magnesium. Lava can travel long distances before cooling. So, examples is Mauna Loa and Kilauea in Hawaii, and Taal volcano during its mild phases. So, features: broad, gently sloping volcanoes, shield volcanoes. Formation of lava, plateaus or plains. Okay, number 2, explosive eruptions. An explosive eruption happens when magma is thick, sticky, or viscous, mataas ang viscosity niya, and high in gas and silica. Gases get trapped and pressure build up, causing violent explosion when released. So, sa sobrang kapal, so tumataas ang pressure na hindi kaagad nakakalabas yung pressure. So, thick lava plugs the vent, building pressure. Ejects ash, cinders, rocks, and volcanic bombs into the air. Creates tall eruption columns and ash clouds. Very dangerous and destructive. Magma is rheolytic or andesitic or rich in silica. Examples are Mount Pinatubo, that is in 1991, yung sinasabi natin na isa sa pangyayari no na na-cover ng ash ang buong Pilipinas and even the nearby countries. Mount St. Helens, USA in 1980. Mount Vesuvius in Italy. So, features of explosive eruption: steep-sided volcanoes, formation of craters and calderas, pyroclastic flows, and ash falls. Types of volcanic eruption and their characteristics. Example dyan is Taal volcano, phreatic or steam blast eruption. Converging plate boundaries where oceanic and continental plates meet. Yun. Kapag nagtagpo ang oceanic and continental, lulubog ang oceanic, siyang ilalim. Yun ang magkakause po ng pagsabog kasi natunaw yung plates. So, natunaw yung plates, yung oceanic na umilalim, so matutunaw siya sa sobrang init ng mantle. So, dahil sobra na yung material sa mantle, ibubugan niya yun. So, caused by water or groundwater coming in contact with hot magma produces steam, ash, and rock fragments, but no new magma comes out. Usually sudden and violent. So, example nga is Taal Volcano. So, Hawaiian eruption, hotspot or diverging plate boundaries. So, dun to sa maninipis na part ng quiet and gentle lava flows. Lava is basaltic and briny, spreading over large areas, forms shield volcanoes with broad, gentle slopes. So, number 3 is Strombolian eruptions. Diverging or converging plate boundaries. Okay, another is Vulcanian eruption, converging plate boundaries. So, explosive eruption with thick, sticky, viscous lava produces ash clouds, pyroclastic flows, and volcanic bombs. Builds steep-sided composite volcanoes. Example is Mount Bulusan and Mount Taal, and Mount Volcano in Italy. And Plinian eruption, converging plate boundaries. Majority is converging plates talaga po. Except lang po dyan yung pagka-converge ng continental to continental. Walang mabubuong vulkan po doon. Kasi ang nabubuo kapag continental to continental ang nagbanggaan ay bundok, mountain ranges. So ito, example dito is Mount Pinatubo, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount St. Helens in USA. So for assessment, let us answer these questions.